Today we have aerial live line insulator replacements being performed on our 110.517 Bravo circuit. I chose this circuit because we have identified insulators that are flashed over and need to be replaced on a proactive approach to prevent any system events on our transmission system. The reason we chose aerial approach and live line is for two factors. One being our right-of-way here is horrible, and it's from a traditional perspective, we have a lack of access from a bucket truck approach or climbing. Also, it's a critical line feeding critical customers, several hospitals, Towson University.
The benefit it provides is we don't have to take any equipment or customers out of service to do the work like we would if our in-house crews do it, because we work everything on an outage. It's years of training, it's millions of dollars of equipment. Everything they're working on is energized at 115,000 volts. The fiberglass sticks that they use are what allow them to be isolated from the circuit and work on it. There's a lot of care that goes into it. There are places you can be, there are places you can't be. There are certain clearances you have to maintain with everything. All their equipment has to be cleaned and tested daily, because if any of their sticks are broken down, they can be in a very bad spot up there.
We're going to fly the linemen from the long line or the bomb and helicopter to the towers. We're going to fly all their equipment in if they need, their hot sticks, train sticks, that sort of thing. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to fly the old insulators out and the new insulators in. Whether you're flying a human or whether you're flying a ladder or a piece of equipment, it's very similar. Actually, in some respects, it's a little easier flying a human because they can kind of help you when you get them on the structure. But you have a lot more responsibility. Well, we're a team. I mean, when you work with these linemen, I mean, you get to know the guys, you get to know their signals. You've done the work with them over and over again, a certain procedure, and then you know where they need to be, you know what piece of equipment's coming in, kind of flow with what they're doing. They put an arm out, they want to move over here to the left, you move to the left. Again, there's a lot of verbal communication, but there's a lot of physical communication also.
Everybody would look up there and think that the biggest risk today is what our guys are doing. I'd say it's the biggest risk is somebody getting in an accident and watching us. What we're doing is your guys flag them around.
Typically, this type of work could take us 7 months to actually plan and prep for. With this type of operation, having a contractor, Haverfield, which is known for this type of business, we actually can do this work in about 3 months time frame. So that allows us to control and have better opportunities to actually do our work that we need to get done. That's a reliability issue for our customer, as well as be able to manage our capital budget.
We've been very productive and leaving no footprint and preventing the need to mat in or permit in for these areas. That would take several months to get those permits and a lot of additional costs for matting inside and out. And then also on top of that, the reclamation to fix what we damage with the mats. So with this approach, we are actually minimizing any damage or environmental risks to our right-of-way.
This work is kind of new to BGE. We've done it in the past, but we've never done it to the level that we're doing it today. So this operation is kind of one of those wow factors, and we are able to actually physically be out on a job site working with them, knowing that we're doing the right things for the right reason, for reliability and for the safety of our employees as well.